In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link pages together. Linking pages is a simple way to keep your workspace organized and make it effortless to jump between related content. Whether you're building a knowledge base, connecting project notes, or creating a quick reference hub, a direct link helps you maintain a single source of truth and reduce duplication. Here's how to do it using the copy link method. Start by locating the page you want to link to in your page list. This is the list or sidebar where all your pages are visible. Hover over the page you want, then right-click to open the context menu. From that menu, select Copy Link to Page. This action copies a direct link to your clipboard, pointing precisely to that page. Take a moment to make sure you copied the link from the correct page if you have similar titles. Clear naming saves confusion later. Next, go to the place where you want that link to appear. This could be any other page or a specific section within a page where the link will be most useful for readers. Click into the text area and paste the link. You'll see it appear as a clickable reference. When someone selects it, they'll be taken straight to the original page you chose. This method is ideal when you want to connect summaries to full documents, link a table of contents to deeper sections, or thread meeting notes to related action items. It keeps navigation smooth and makes your content easier to follow. If you're collaborating, remember that anyone using the link will need access to the destination page. If they don't have permission, they won't be able to open it. Keeping pages properly shared or permissioned ensures your links are actually useful to your team. A couple of practical tips can make these links even more effective. Place them where context is clear, right after a mention of the topic or below a heading that introduces it. If you're organizing a hub page or an overview, group related links together so people can find what they need at a glance. Consistent page titles also help readers trust that a link leads where they expect. That's all there is to it. Copy the link from the page list and paste it wherever it'll help your flow. With this simple approach, you'll create a connected workspace that's faster to navigate and easier to maintain. Thanks for watching and happy linking.